Are you on the hunt for the best cordless miter saw? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're comparing 5 top models to help you find the perfect saw for your needs. Stick around to see which one takes the crown. Let's kick things off with the Seesii, coming in at the bottom of our list. While this saw is affordable and portable, it's limited by a 7/4 inch blade, making it best suited for lighter tasks. It does pack a brushless motor and comes with both a battery and charger, which is a great bonus for DIYers just getting started. The inclusion of an LED work light is a nice touch for better visibility. However, when compared to some of the other models here, the Seesii doesn't quite hold up in terms of cutting capacity and power. It's perfect for small projects, but lacks the muscle to tackle more demanding cuts. Also, its dust collection system could be more effective, leaving some sawdust behind. If you're just starting out with basic woodworking or you need a budget-friendly option, this saw could be right for you. But if you're aiming for larger or more complex cuts, you might want to keep looking. And hey, if you're interested in grabbing the Seesii at the best price, check out the link in the description below. Next up, we have the CRAFTSMAN, which is another great option for homeowners and light-duty projects. Powered by a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, this saw delivers solid performance with its brushless motor and LED work light for added precision. It's very similar to the Seesii, but the CRAFTSMAN comes with a slightly more powerful 20-volt battery and a better miter capacity of 0 degrees to 50 degrees. However, while it's a solid tool, it suffers from the same limitation as the Seesii, the 7/4 inch blade. This smaller size just doesn't provide the cutting depth needed for larger, more complex projects. It's perfect for DIYers or those who need a reliable cordless saw for basic cuts, but it won't handle heavy-duty tasks as well as some of the larger models. If you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly saw for smaller projects around the house, this is a good choice. But if you need something with a bit more oomph for bigger jobs, you might want to consider upgrading. By the way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're finding this review helpful. Coming in at number 3 is the Bosch. This saw has a lot going for it, including a brushless motor and a compact design that makes it perfect for maneuvering in tight spaces. The 0 to 47 degree miter capacity and 0 to 47 degree bevel capacity offer flexibility for a variety of angled cuts, whether you're framing or working on trim. But while the Bosch delivers in performance, it still suffers from the same cutting limitations due to its 7/4 inch blade. For those looking to cut larger pieces of material, it may not be the best fit. Also, its dust collection system, while functional, isn't as powerful as some of the other models, which may leave a little mess behind. Still, if you're a DIYer or a professional who needs something portable and reliable for light to medium cuts, this saw is a solid option, and it definitely stands out for its brushless motor and compact design, making it easy to handle. Now we're getting into the heavy hitters. At number 2 is the DEWALT, a 20-volt max cordless miter saw designed for serious work. This model comes with a brushless motor for improved runtime and durability, and the LED work light ensures you can always see your cuts clearly. With a miter range of 0 to 50 degrees and a bevel range of 0 to 48 degrees, it's perfect for all kinds of angles. The downside? Like some of the others, the 7/4 inch blade holds it back when it comes to cutting larger materials. Plus, the battery and charger are sold separately, which can add to the overall cost if you don't already own them. If you're a professional or a serious DIYer looking for a reliable, powerful saw that offers precision and portability, the DEWALT is a fantastic choice. Just keep in mind that if you're planning to cut thicker or larger pieces, this might not be the best fit. Finally, the winner! The Evolution takes the top spot, and it's easy to see why. With its 10-inch blade, it delivers an impressive cutting capacity, perfect for larger, more demanding projects. The brushless motor ensures power and efficiency, and the high no-load speed of 5,000 RPM guarantees smooth, clean cuts. While it's a bit heavier than some of the other models at 53 pounds, the increased cutting capacity and dust collection system make it ideal for contractors or anyone who needs a serious saw for heavy-duty tasks. The included battery and charger add great value. If you're looking for a powerful, durable, and efficient cordless miter saw for larger projects, the Evolution is the one to beat. It's the perfect tool for anyone who needs maximum performance without the hassle of cords. Well, that wraps up our comparison of these awesome cordless miter saws. Remember, all the top products from today's review are linked in the description below at the best prices, so be sure to check them out. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and product recommendations.